Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to import products from Shein to Shopify. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now you might be wondering, how do you import products from Shein to Shopify? So in this case, whenever we actually visit Shein, well, in this case, Shein is actually a platform for buying clothes. For example, let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, there's going to be different things that you can actually buy from the platform itself. So currently this is going to be the mobile version for Shein. Let's go and visit the web version here. In this case, there's going to be a lot of things that you can buy here. So besides the clothes, you also could buy basically other stuffs here. Like for example, phone cases or cleaners, or even like cleaners for your car, and a lot more. So if you want to utilize or basically use the products that you see here as a means of actually gaining or selling products from to in your Shopify store, well, in this case, linking your Shein account or using Shein as a means of drop shipping is directly not yet possible. So they haven't actually implemented that system yet. But the great thing about Shopify here is they allow you to actually use other apps or other platforms to create drop shipping opportunities or install apps that actually allows you to drop ship. In this case, all we need to do is we need to install that app. In this case, let's go and go to settings here. And from here, we want to go to apps and sales channel. And from here, click on Shopify App Store. Now, what we need to do is we just need to type in the search apps, guides, and more here. Let's just type in drop shipping. Press and enter. And from here, you should be able to see different apps that you could use for drop shipping. So we have DSearch, AliExpress drop shipping, CJ drop shipping much faster here, and AutoTS, which is different types of application that you can use or utilize in your store to basically try drop shipping. So for example, maybe I want to try CJ drop shipping here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and click on install. And from here, what we need to do next is we just need to confirm the installation. So in this case, let's go ahead and click on install here, and that should install the app itself. Now from here on, what we need to do is we need to actually authorize our account here. So by the way, if you don't have your account yet, you could actually create a new one by clicking on register here. But for now, let's go ahead and click on authorize here, and let's go ahead and click on confirm. Now that should actually authorize it, but if that doesn't do it, let's go ahead and click on authorize itself again. And from here, it's going to redirect you to the login page. In this case, go ahead and just log in. So I actually use my Google account here as a means of creating my account in CG Dropshipping. Again, if you don't have your account yet, you need to create your account first. Now in this case, how do we link our accounts? So linking our accounts is actually pretty easy here. So let's go ahead and go to the section on actually linking it. So let's just scroll down a bit here and go to authorization. Now from here, choose the option that says Shopify. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to make sure that we actually authorize it. So currently this is going to be my store here. Let's just verify it's actually our store here. So let's go ahead and click on the option that says all stores here, and let's just see the address. So AD2657. Let's go back here, and if you don't see it, what you need to do is you need to authorize your store here. So in this case, just click on the add store at the top right here, and from here it's going to give you some details on how to authorize it. But for now, let's go and click on authorize, and from here it should redirect you. Let's go and click on open here. It should open up Shopify again and redirect you to drop shipping. And from here, just click on authorize here and just click on confirm. Now in this case, again, it's going to reload itself. So in this case, if that doesn't load, let's go and click authorize again for us to proceed, and it's going to say authorization success. Now, whenever you actually visit the authorization section here and go to Shopify, you should now be able to see your store here. As you can see, this is our new store here. So in this case, since we want to delete our store here, let's go ahead and delete the old one. Click on delete here. From here, click on confirm. Now what we need to do next is we now need to import our products. So in this case, let's go ahead and go to products here, and you should be able to see like store products, the my product section as well if you want to. So let's go to my products here, and from here we want to actually start adding them. So go to find products here. By the way, as you can see, I already have a bunch of products that I have here, but for now, let's go ahead and go find products here. And from here, what we need to do is we need to basically search for the product that we want to add. So for example, let's go ahead and search for maybe, I want to search for scrubbers. Just press on enter. Now from here, let's go ahead and choose the scrubber that I want to use here. Click on it. And from here, what we need to do is basically inspect the product here. So you should be able to see all the details here. So since we want to add this one, what we need to do is we need to click on the section that says add to my products. So let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, let's go ahead and go to my products. Now from here, we now need to sync or import our products. So in this case, make sure to add this into or add a check next to it. And from here, what we need to do is you should be able to actually basically do variant things here, like for example adding this to a collection or deleting it. But if you want to add it, just click on list here, and it should pop up this section here, which in this case you should be able to change a few things like titles, categories, the listing site here, as well as shipping method on eBay, and the brand and the tags here. Now if you want to change the variant pricing here, you can go ahead and do that and change the pricing itself, and images and videos, and description itself. Now in this case, it's really important that you set the correct price here, because as you can see, your prices could actually be different for each product. So for now, we want to actually add this, just an example. I want to make the recommended listing price here. Let's go and choose that one. And from here, let's go ahead and click on list it now. Now it's going to say, please enter the quantity here. So let's go ahead and enter that. Also, by the way, you need to go to products here and select your store here. So let's just choose our store here, and from here choose your product type, your vendor, your title here. So for example, we want to maybe say scrubber here, and from here let's go ahead and click on scrubber. And from here we have the my store section here, which is our vendor tags. If you want to, the variant pricing here. So again, let's go ahead and click on recommended list pricing here, and let's go ahead and proceed by clicking on the list it now. So it's going to say listing in progress. So in this case, it's going to start the listing process. So once the process is actually complete, you can just go back into your store here, and whenever you visit the section for products, you should be able to see the product now added. As you can see, we now have the stainless steel in our Shopify store, which is now good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.